We're underway. We've got the uprights again, and Robin Pilcher gets down to the first turn first. It's 68 Chris Mackett in second place. Graeme Brown on the board. Graeme Brown goes into the lead ahead of Robin Pilcher. Graeme Brown goes a little wide, opens the door for Robin Pilcher to come through. Robin Pilcher is he? Yes, he's got through there. You don't leave the door open too often for Robin Pilcher, not expect him to go through. But Graeme Brown's powered into the next turn, just slightly ahead of Robin Pilcher. But Robin Pilcher again is on the inside. Now after Graeme Brown down all happening here at Brixton. It's the Deep Golf Dash. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2, sorry. Graeme Brown. Oh, Robin Pilcher dropping down to third as Chris Mackett goes by. Robin Pilcher holding a very tight line there and squeezes back in front of Chris Mackett, but he still can't make any real headway on Graeme Brown. And the last lap flag being made ready this time. 1, 2, 2. Graeme Brown takes that last lap flag from 174. Robin Pilcher, 68. Chris Mackett, then 55. Paul Morphy, so it wasn't Paul Morphy who went on there. Sorry, I thought it was Paul Morphy. The last turn for the last time, and Graeme Brown has just got that slender advantage over Robin Pilcher from Chris Mackett in third, all close at the finish. From 55, Paul Morphy, and 48, Brian Cornelius. Little wait for number 2, Adrian Hard.